want you. Oh, yeah? Huh. My baby, I've missed you. Huh. Hope those my friends. Hey! Bye! That's it. What's that? I thought you said no.
It's out, just wait.
How?
Your husband is back.
What? I thought you said.
Just hide.
Yeah. I can't hide here. Oh shit.
You can't hide there. Wait. I have an idea.
What do you mean with himself?
Oh, hi, honey.
Wow.
What happened?
Mad traffic. I missed my flight. It's terrible. What's this?
Oh, this is a statue I got for you from Mega Plaza.
Mega Plaza.
Yeah.
It looks like something you got from Alaba International.
It was actually really expensive.
What does it do?
Oh, it holds cups.
Oh, and it says hi. That's it.
That would capture my heart, and there's nothing I can do. I used to brag to my friends that I'd always be a player, but since I set my eyes on you, Mama, you don't make me fall.
Hey, Link, animal. You can't even get better position to start you. Let me come and drink and get her. Thank you. I said get her. Start you. Class reading, chatting, vibrating, I say start you. Think you're smart. I know all your tricks. I'm dealing with you.